Myself Arvind Kumar Dubey, teacher of English in Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Nagaon, Chhatarpur, MP. Students, today I am going to teach you sonnet, and this sonnet is written by John Milton. That's why it is called Miltonic sonnet. John Milton was the God-gifted organ voice of England after William Shakespeare. This sonnet is autobiographical in nature. William Shakespeare has written also sonnet. It is called Shakespearean sonnet or English sonnet. But John Milton has taken the form of poetry from Italy or Italian sonnet or Petrarchan sonnet. Most of sonnetier has adopted love theme, but John Milton has firm faith in God. Being a Puritan, he wrote devotional sonnet, and his love is expressed on God because God is the supervisor of the universe. God is omnipotent, omnipresent, and almighty. So, this sonnet's title is On His Being Arrived at the Age of 23. John Milton has written two great epics also. So, what is epic? An epic is a long narrative poem. Paradise Lost, number one. Number two, Paradise Regained. He is known as his grand style. So, Miltonic sonnet is written on the style of Petrarch or Italian sonnet. It is divided into octave and sestet. The octave consists of first 8 lines of the poem, and the sestet consists next 6 lines of the sonnet. We can say 2 quarter and 2 tercet. Quarter is made up of 4 lines each, and tercet is made up of 3 lines. So, sonnet's title, I repeat again, On His Being Arrived at the Age of 23. Here, personification has been used. So, I am going to explain you personification. When inanimate object or non-living things are treated as living is called personification. One beautiful example, love is blind. Here, love is just like a man who is blind. But here, in particular sonnet, time has been personified. So here, beautiful personification of time, and time has stolen poets 23 years unknowingly. Being Puritan, he had firm faith in God. He wanted to write poetry in right time, but poetic talent is not appearing so soon. Now, see on board. I have written sonnet. It is Miltonic sonnet. Title I have repeated again and again. See here, youth, theta. And see here, ear. See here, career. See here, shwet. And see here, truth. So, A, B, B, A. A, B, B, A. First of all, you have to write last word in phonetic transcription, and the rhyme scheme we have to see. Here you see theta, th, here I, A. it is diphthong. It is here also diphthong. It is theta, and here theta, and here th. IA diphthong, here IA diphthong, and here in. See here, John Milton has used archaic words, old-fashioned word. So English is divided into three parts. First one, Old English. Second one, Middle English, and Modern English. In olden days, th is added as suffix. See here, here, shade. Here, induced. Th is added. Now, how soon had time? Here, time has been personified. The subtle thief of youth. It has stolen poet's youth. Stolen on his wing of 23 years. How many years? Stolen by the time. Time has stolen 23 years of the poet. My hasty days fly on with full career. This was the time of the poet to maintain his poetic career, to write poetry on various subjects. But my late spring, here spring is a symbol of good and cheerful days, especially in Western country, and winter is a symbol of bad days, especially in Western country. So my late spring, no bud or blossom. There is no bud, there is no blossom, or there is no progress in poetic talent of the poet John Milton. Perhaps my semblance might deceive the truth. He is misguided. Why my late maturity? Why I have no poetic talent? Is God is not blessing his shower upon him? That I to manhood arrived. The poet has become mature, so near, and inward rightness doth much less appear. There is no inward rightness in poet's mind and heart. That some more timely happy spread into it. So this is octave. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So today I have explained 8 lines of the sonnet. Tomorrow I will explain next 6 lines of the sonnet, that is sestet. Thanks. See you tomorrow.